I have been here for really long.
All moving vehicles put me to sleep.
Okay, why you people are roaming around and why you people are doing this? Just for selling this?
He's not gonna be able to sell or buy anything in his life if he believes that like it's 250. It's worth 250 bucks.
Anak, do you like this t-shirt?
We're building a catapult right now. So basically there's a model over there and we're trying to like build a similar one.
It's taking us a bit longer than we expected. I think we should be done in like some 5 minutes something. The final thread is just like giving us some trouble. So I guess it'll be fine in a while. It should be.
Well, in this task we gave them remote control cars where they took them around the go-karting track for a lap. They tried to do it in 5 minutes. Most teams have been graded. Now, what I really wonder is why every time the girls hand it to the guys. I mean, girls are equally good at this sort of stuff. I don't get it.
We're going to party hunters at Palil. So we have to look for the location right now.
We had party hunters at Pali, so what we need to do is buy some stuff for maximum amount of money. There's a maximum amount of money for which we have to buy stuff, and then you have to sell it on the road to get a profit.
We brought out this new product. It's going to be sold in the next version of IPL. These are the videos that we're going to be putting in the final presentation. We're in talks with an IPL team. Target selection. We're learning about segmentation right now.
Aditya Vilas is planning to launch some funky items like this out into the market. So we've been sent out to do a survey on what's the receptiveness towards them. So would you like to buy something like this maybe for a cousin or somebody, you know?
Nobody will buy for 100 bucks.
Nobody will.
I'm happy to give you 100 bucks just because to encourage you guys. If you're recording, you should ask me beforehand.
We managed to sell the ring and she bought it because she wanted to encourage us.
I bought all of them. Bling bling, money anything. I don't know why I said that.
We kind of sold them off and got our stuff back because they support the competition and they saw enthusiasm and were excited about it. So I guess we made a good bargain. And
Is it kind of a bakra or something like that?
No, not bakra.
Seriously?
Seriously, bakra.
Very well organized. Very well organized. Dedicated to industry and they have done it.
We're buying great t-shirts for our team and we're bargaining with them for the best price. I mean, this is a team t-shirt, put some logos on that and...
Please भैया गेम हार जाएंगे भैया कैसे? नहीं भैया 130 बहुत ज़्यादा है 700 दे दे पूरा टोटल उतना ही है बस हमारे पास उससे ज़्यादा नहीं खर्च कर सकते भैया प्लीज ना We got 8 t-shirts for 100 each, so 800 rupees.
It was a 250 buck t-shirt we got for 100 bucks.
He's not gonna be able to sell or buy anything in his life if he believes that like it's 250. It's worth 250 bucks.
100 का टी-शर्ट 80 रुपए में बोल रहा है मजाक कर रहा है साले. Okay, bye.
We were supposed to buy these t-shirts first of all from Causeway, then paint a logo on them and go get get a photo clicked with Gateway of India in the background. So that's what we've done. I guess people are excited about what's going on in the middle of nowhere.
This logo is like lazy winners. We're saying that we have so much talent, we don't need to do anything to win. We just win like that. So this is a lazy guy, a guy pushing the L. A lazy winners.
Hi, do you want to have mudda? Oh no! Boss! Eat!
खा ले.
We have to eat about half kg of this thing called mudda, and most of the times I guess it would be nice, but right now it is not.
How much did it take? 3 minutes?
I think we were the first people to reach here. I think we beat the crap out of the other team over here.
What we have the winner for tonight is
So we sold for a lot of profit. So we bought 6 necklaces for 375 and we sold them for 1810.